Hello, everyone. My name is Ravi. I'm a second-year PhD student from Curtin University. And what I do is I try to study the epoch of ionization through studying galaxies outside of the epoch of ionization. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about that. Okay, so I know we've gone over this image many times today, but I actually drew mine, so I'm going to go over it again. So the universe early on was made up of largely neutral hydrogen. This was called the Dark Ages because there was no sources of light. This would eventually collapse by gravitational forces into the first stars and galaxies, and the first light was emitted, but the high energy component of this light was trapped by the neutral hydrogen around it. Following this, we have the epoch of ionization, which is described by galaxies which would emit their high energy radiation into their surrounding intergalactic medium and ionize bubbles around themselves. The end of the epoch of ionization is described by when these bubbles would percolate and we could get unimpeded high energy radiation emitting from these galaxies and we could see it. Now, I know that I talked about galaxies being responsible for this, but we don't actually know what kinds of galaxies were specifically responsible for it. There's two versions of the story. Either there were a few very high energy galaxies that were emitting a lot of radiation and were able to cause the reionization to occur over a